You know, there's a lot to be said for having something that makes a nice spreading mat of ground cover that then flowers early in the season, brings welcome colour into the garden early on, and particularly if it happens to have a beautiful shade of bright blue, well, guess what? That's even better. Well, that's what you get when you have this variety of Veronica called Tidal Pool. Now, what's interesting about this one is that it was developed by Dr. Jim Malt at Chicago Botanic Gardens. It's a hybrid between two different species. It loves to grow in a well-drained, sunny or partially shaded site too, and in early summer will be covered, literally covered, with masses of these bright, sparkling blue flowers, each with a lovely little white eye in it. Hardy to Zone 5 grows no more than about 3 inches high and spreads out to make a mat that's maybe about 2.5 to 3 foot wide. It's a beautiful little Veronica. This is Veronica Tidal Pool.